this is Shivali and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. Today I am going to show how to make the best nourishing hair mask at home. It packs in the benefits of aloe vera, bananas, yogurt, honey and fennel seeds. These ingredients have proved to help provide relief from issues like dry scalp, dandruff, itching and hair fall, while also hydrating your hair and giving them a new shine. So to start off, let's begin by cutting up some aloe vera and slicing the pieces up. Next, I'm going to take a ripe banana and chop it up into little pieces. Next, I'm going to take a couple of spoons of honey and mix it in a separate bowl filled with 2 cups of yogurt. Then, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds to the honey and yogurt. Now, let's take a blender and add in our chopped banana. And then, in go the pieces of aloe vera. Now, pour in the yogurt mixture. And blend for 15 to 20 seconds. Now to apply, begin sectioning your hair and apply our mask directly to your roots. Once you've covered your scalp, apply the mask from your lens to roots. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes and then shampoo using warm water. Once you're done, you'll be left with nourished and bounced hair that shine for days. Thanks for watching.